If you want to get an iPhone ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So first of all, we can go to the search option over here and then we can search for iPhone ringtone. This should allow us to find many different apps that should grant us the access to the ringtone. So there we go. Over here, as you can see, the list is quite long, so you can try any of these apps and you might be able to find an iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this app as an example. I know already how the app works, and I know for a fact that it does indeed set up the iPhone ringtone, so feel free to try it out with me. But if you want to, you can of course try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to do so in case you are not really satisfied with this option over here, with this app. So let's open the app. We will have to set it up, which is pretty straightforward. We're gonna tap on consent over here. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime. There we go. And once you manage to skip the ad, we should grant the access to music and audio on this device for the app, of course. There is additional permission required, so we're gonna tap on OK, and we need to allow the permission to change system settings for the app. This is of course used to set up the ringtone. Without it, the app will not be able to set up the ringtone for us. Over here we have the list of iPhone ringtones. We can of course press play in order to have a little preview, in order to try to find the ringtone that we wish to use. And if you manage to find the ringtone that you want to use, you can just use these three dots over here on the right side, and then we're gonna use the ringtone option in here. Once again, we might see an ad, so let's skip that. And then you should see this information that we have set the ringtone successfully. So we should also check if that is truly the case. Of course, it is worth double checking. So we're gonna open settings, go to sounds and vibration, and usually you can take a look at the ringtone that is set up. If it's like a custom name that you didn't use before, then obviously it means that the ringtone has been set up. You can also, for example, go to volume and slightly adjust the ringtone volume in order to check if that's really the iPhone ringtone that is being played. In my case, it does work indeed. If in your case it didn't set up properly, you can go to the ringtone option in here. You can try to find it on this list of custom ringtones, or you can use the plus button here in the upper right corner, and you might be able to find it here in the sound picker. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.